Hello dear students, welcome to video class of Dave Public School CCL Giridi. I am Miss Ankita, your English teacher. Today, once again, I am here with you to teach you one new chapter from your English practice book. So children, today we are going to read Unit 4 and the name of the chapter is Describing Words. So, first let's know what are describing words. Okay? Yes, here is the definition. The words that describe or tell something about a naming word or noun are called describing words. Once again, I am repeating it. The words that describe or tell something about a naming word or noun are called describing words. वैसे शब्द जो हमें किसी भी नेमिंग वर्ड या नाउन के बारे में ज़्यादा एक्सप्लेन करके बताता हो या नेमिंग वर्ड या नाउन के बारे में बताता हो वैसे शब्द क्या कहलाते हैं? डिस्क्राइबिंग वर्ड्स. ओके, सो आई थिंक ऑल ऑफ यू नो व्हाट आर नेमिंग वर्ड्स. नेमिंग वर्ड्स आर नेम ऑफ अ पर्सन, प्लेस, एनिमल, बर्ड्स और थिंग्स. So, the word that tell us something about a naming word, that word is known as describing word. Okay? So, examples of describing words are fat, small, big, black, true, happy, etc. So, these are the examples. Okay? Now, see children, describing words are also called an adjective. So, we can call describing word as an adjective. They tell us what kind of, how many, what color or shape, etc. a person, place or things are. Okay? So, see children, describing words, they tell us. For example, if we are talking about a person, so for example, we will say a fat man. What kind of man is he? He is a fat man. So, what kind of? If we are talking about two pencils, how many pencils? Two pencils. How many? If we are talking about the color, the red dress, we are talking about the dress color. And shape, the big ball. Okay, so describing words tells us what kind of, how many, what color or shape a person, places or things are. Okay, so now come to worksheet 1. So here some pictures are drawn here and we have to match the pictures with their descriptions. Okay, the first one is, see, one boy. He is, I think this boy is happy. So, we will match this with a happy boy. A happy boy. Okay. Now, second one is a fat boy. Match this boy with a fat boy. Third one is, see, two boys are here. So, we will match this picture with two boys. Now, see, one boy standing here. So, he is a tall boy. And the last one is a thin boy. Okay. So, children, here you see the words happy, tall, fat, thin and two. They tell us something about the naming word boy. Here the naming word is boy. All are boy. Okay. So, these words happy, tall, fat, thin, two, they tells us something about the naming word and these words are called an adjective or describing words. Here it is written, the words that describe or tell something about a naming word or noun are called describing words. Already I explained this. Now turn the page. Read the following. Aladdin was a poor boy. He lived in a small hut. One day, he found a magic lamp. Now see children, in all these sentences, in every sentences, one word is written in bold color. Okay? Is written in dark color. See, in this sentence, the word poor. In this sentence, the word small. And in this sentence, the word magic. Okay? See, Aladdin was a poor boy. What kind of boy is he? He is a poor boy. Poor means garib. Okay. So, the question is what kind of a boy? So, he was a poor boy. Next one is he lived in a small hut. What kind of hut? Hut is small, chota. And third one is one day he found a magic lamp. Magic मतलब जो जादू वाला हो. So what kind of lamp? It's magic lamp. Okay. See children, the words poor, small and magic tell us something about the nouns Aladdin, hut and lamp respectively. So see in every sentences, in the first sentence the word poor. Poor, it tells us about whom? It tells us about Aladdin. Okay. Second one is small. This small is used for which word? Hut. And third one is magic. Magic is used for which word? Lamp. So similarly, see here, a powerful genie lived inside the lamp. What type of genie? Powerful. Second one is he had black eyes and a big round belly. Now we are talking about genie. Okay. So genie eyes are black and he is having a big round belly. Okay. He promised to grant Aladdin 3 wishes. How many wishes? 3. So see, I taught you here already that describing words tells us what kind of. So what kind of is powerful genie? कैसा था? So powerful था. Second one is how many? So how many wishes? 3 wishes. And what color and shape? So what color is black eyes and shape is big round. Okay. So all the encircle words are describing words. जितने भी encircle words हैं इस sentences में वो words क्या हैं? Describing words हैं. This already I explained you that describing words tell us what kind of, how many, what color or shape, etc. persons, places or things are. Okay. Now come to question number 3. Here it is written, read the following extract from A3 Dolphins and A2 The God of River of my English reader and underline the describing words. We have to read the following extracts. So I want to explain you the meaning of the word extracts. Extracts ऐसे स्टेटमेंट्स होते हैं जो हम किसी भी स्टोरी से या किसी भी पोएम से लेते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, वी ऑलरेडी रेड द चैप्टर डॉल्फिन्स and these lines are taken from that chapter, dolphins. And second one is the extracts this one, he was a tall and fair and held a golden pot in his hand but he looked sad. So this one is taken from the story The God of River. We have to read these 2 extracts and we have to underline the describing words. We have to underline the describing words from these 2 extracts. Okay. The first one is, dolphins are usually gentle, but sometimes they get angry. When they are angry, they make loud clapping noise with their jaws. Dolphins are often very helpful. So, the first describing word is gentle. You underline or encircle this one. gentle. Second one is angry. Then third one is loud. And fourth one is very. Come to the next one. He was tall and fair and held a golden pot in his hand. So you underline the word tall, fair and golden. But he looked sad. Sad is also a describing word. To whom this word is describing? The word is used for whom? For the god of river. He was tall and fair and held a golden pot in his hand. Yes, we already read in the chapter. Okay. Now come to question number 4. We have to fill the blanks with suitable describing words from the 8 box. See, 8 box is given here. Different words are given in this 8 box. Blue, beautiful, too, fat, ugly, golden, cruel. We have to fill the blanks. Cinderella was a dash girl. So you fill here beautiful. Cinderella was a beautiful girl. Next is she had dash hair and dash eyes. She had golden hair and blue eyes. She lived with her dash stepsisters, right? 2 stepsisters. They both were dash and dash, fat and ugly. They did not like Cinderella. Even her stepmother was dash towards her, cruel towards her. Okay, so these words which we have filled in the blanks, these words are describing words. Okay, here this word beautiful describe whom? This beautiful describes Cinderella. What type of girl is she? She was a beautiful girl. Okay, then what kind of? I taught you what kind of. Yes, second one is she has golden hair. What color? What color? Golden. Blue eyes. Color? Blue eyes. Then how many? 2. 2 stepsisters. Okay. So, these are the describing words. Now come to worksheet 2. Read the following story. Some nouns or naming words have been underlined. Read the following story. Some nouns have been underlined and circle the describing words from each of the underlined nouns. What we have to do? We have to read this story. The story name is Poor Lady and the Little Lamb. After reading the story, here some naming words are already underlined. Okay. See children, the underlined naming words. Already it is underlined here. We have to find the describing word. We have to encircle it which has been used for the nouns. Okay. यहाँ पे हमें स्टोरी पढ़ना है. स्टोरी पढ़ने के बाद हमें डिस्क्राइबिंग वर्ड्स फाइंड करना है. वैसे डिस्क्राइबिंग वर्ड्स जो अंडरलाइन नाउन्स के लिए यूज़ किया गया हो. सी फर्स्ट एग्जाम्पल इज गिवन हियर. Once upon a time there lived an old lady. Okay, so the lady, which type of lady was she? She was an old lady. Okay, so like this we have to do. She was very poor. She led a lonely life. So before life you encircle the word lonely. One day she got a little lamb. Lamb is underlined here. So before it is the describing word little with green eyes. Encircle the word green and white. Encircle the word white. Fur. The kind lady started looking after the lovely lamb. You encircle kind and lovely. Then one day a man who had red eyes and a long beard came to the old lady's small hut. So you encircle the word red, long, small. He told the lonely lady that he was the owner of the lovely lamb. So you encircle lonely and lovely. The lady heard this and became sad. Saying this, the man told her that he had come there only to see if the elderly lady was taking proper care of the small lamb. So, you encircle the word elderly and small. He did not want to take the innocent lamb back. Encircle the word innocent. The old lady thanked the kind man. Encircle the word old and kind and lived happily thereafter. So see children, before every noun the describing words are used. So describing words tells us what kind of, how many, what color or shape a person, place, thing are. Okay? Yes. Now come to question number 2. Here it is written, work with your partner and write at least 5 describing words each for the following. One example is given for you. See, some words are given here. We have to find 5 describing words for each of the following. First example is given a bag. Okay, bag is a noun, thing. Okay, so bag, for bag we can write new bag, torn bag, big bag, beautiful bag, small bag. Okay, now come to grapes. Black grapes, sweet grapes, green grapes, sour grapes, fresh grapes. Now third one is house. Small house, big house, beautiful house, new house, old house. Next one is day. Beautiful day, sunny day, hot day, nice day, wonderful day. Okay, wonderful day. Next one is king. Great king, cruel king, honest king, foolish king, clever king. And the last one is neighbor. Honest neighbor, cruel neighbor, poor neighbor, clever neighbor, good neighbor. Okay. Now come to worksheet 3. The following groups of words contain one wrong describing word. Underline it. The first one has been done for you. So here group of words are there. Group of describing words are there. Okay. For every noun, some group of words, describing words are given here. We have to underline the wrong one. For example, for chocolate, chocolate should be soft, chocolate should be tasty, chocolate should be sweet, chocolate should be harmful, but chocolate should never be slow. Okay, so the second one is dress. Dress should be new, new dress, red dress. Is the dress should be clever? No. So the wrong describing word is clever. Costly dress, neat dress. So wrong one is clever. Next one is book. For book, soft book, holy book, interesting book, good book, old book. So the wrong one is soft. Next one is movie. Exciting movie, rich movie, boring movie, entertaining movie, long movie. So the wrong is rich. The next one is baby. Naughty baby, active baby, cute baby, thick baby, innocent baby. So the wrong is thick baby. Okay. Now come to question number 2. Add at least one describing word before the underlined nouns and rewrite the sentences in the space provided. One example is given for you. See. For every sentences, we have to write one describing word before the underlined nouns. And then again we have to rewrite the sentence. Okay. The first one is the princess was sleeping on her bed. So here before princess the describing word is pretty. The pretty princess was sleeping on her comfortable bed. Like this we have to write. The lady gave the boy some money. You can write the rich lady gave the poor boy some money. Next one is the clouds covered the sky. The dark clouds covered the blue sky. Okay. Now come to next one. The nightingale sang a song. The beautiful nightingale sang a melodious song. Next one is the baby broke the ink pot. The naughty baby broke the blue ink pot. The soldier killed the enemy. The brave soldier killed the weak enemy. The student solved the question. The intelligent student solved the difficult questions. Okay. So till here we have already completed. This one is your homework. Do it yourself. What you have to do, you have to circle the describing words in the following story. Okay. Here one story is given here. You have to circle the describing words. Okay. Now come to question number 2. Here it is written, draw a doll, clown or genie or any other thing of your choice and then describe it to your friends. One example is given for you. This is also your homework. What you have to do, you see one picture of a doll is drawn here and some sentences are written for her to describe her. Okay. See, my doll has big green eyes and long hair. She is wearing a white lacy dress and pink shoes. She has a small round purse in her hand. Like this, you have to draw a picture of either doll, clown or genie and you have to write some sentences describing that picture. Okay? Yes children, that's all for today. We will meet again with the new chapter. Till then, stay home, stay healthy. Thank you.